What's up, YouTube? So as promised, earlier today I went to Home Depot and I purchased a set amount of bags that will put me at $50. Uh, Basically, when you with Home Depot, there's a $5 or $50 coupon when you sign up online with them, and they send it to your email, and you can just go in stores and just show them the coupon, and they either scan it from your phone or they can type the code in. But basically, I ended up getting an even steeper discount than what the coupon would have allowed. Now let me discuss how this happened. So first and foremost, this bag of fertilizer. It's an 8 pound bag. It's an 8 pound bag, and it was going for $9.68. The 4 pound bag, which is 2 times smaller, was going for $6.98. With the markdown fall discount, this 8 pound bag was cut from $9.68 to $7.20 to $7.20. So 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, and then we do 20 cents times 7, which comes out to $1.40. So it would have been $50.40 on the nose before tax. All right. So after tax, I ended up paying, and it came out to about $55 or so. About $55, 56, something like that. I ended up paying $45.09. Now, how this happened? Because as I was going through the bags, I actually got the last of their bags. They actually had 8 bags, and I only got 7 because one of them actually, it looked from the outside, you couldn't tell if it was open or not, but the way the bag looked, it seemed as if water was in it, and it was just too smushed together. And I didn't want to open it and find out something was actually wrong with it, so I just left it how it is. It didn't look how any of these bags look, so I just left it. And I was basically on the fence if I should go with that bag or if I should go with this already open bag. And I was, it was so bad that I went with the already open bag. Now, the situation that occurred after, I didn't know it was going to happen. I thought they were going to mark this bag down. So I basically went to the register to check out. And I told the lady that was at the register, I said, excuse me, ma'am. I got the last of y'all fertilizer, and this bag here happened to be open. She said, okay. So she rung it up. She basically picked up one bag and rung it 6 times. She scanned the barcode 6 times. So doop, 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 doop. I literally heard her scan it 6 times. And then she went to the register and she started typing in something. So I thought she was basically getting ready to mark this one down. I was hoping that she didn't scan it 7 times because I was going to be like the bag was open, but she went to the register, started typing something in. So I was just under the assumption, okay, she's going to mark down the price for me, because that's what I was assuming what was going to happen. But basically, when she told me the final total after tax, it came out to $45.09, and I gave her $50.10, and she gave me $5.01 back. I still have the receipt, but I didn't find it necessary to show it on this video. But basically the lady she basically cut the price. She cut 2 bags. Well, she rang up 6. But I guess when she was typing on the register, I guess there's no way that she could have marked it down because I wasn't inside the garden center. The garden center was actually closed by this point. So she actually marked down the bag, and I'll just put this here so I can have a good view of what these bags show as I speak. But she marked off a second bag and just basically charged me for 5 bags. Now, when she told me the price at first, I was going to tell her thank you and whatnot, but I didn't want her to think something was wrong or anything. So I was like, oh man, I can't wait till I get to the car to actually look at my receipt and see what happened. Cause I didn't understand what happened. Cause even if she would have marked down the 7th bag, it should have been close to what the discount would have brought me to. I should have basically ended up paying $50 no way around it. I should have ended up paying $50. Because even with the discount, it'd have brought me down to $50. Because it'd have been $5 off 50, and then with tax, it'd have brought it up to extra $5 again. So I would have paid around 50, but I paid 45. So when I looked at the actual subtotal, the subtotal basically showed about $36 or so. Yeah, it was about 30. It was something like that. Oh no, $41. Matter of fact, it showed like $41. But I didn't understand how it came to that. But I mean, I won in that case, so I'm not gonna complain at all. I have zero complaint in me, because I did go in there for a discount. So guys, if you see stuff like this and the bag looks like it's open, but I mean the item doesn't look like it was actually tampered with, because I mean in this case it may have just been somebody trying to see how the fertilizer actually looks and what's in it. It wasn't fully opened or anything, but it was opened on that shelf. And I mean, like, hey, I paid $45, and I was expecting to go in there and get $20 and save $20, because with the discount, with their markup price, it would have been $2.40 times 7, and that would have come out to that would have been easily over $15. And then I would have had the $5 off, so that would have gave me a $20 discount. I actually ended up saving $25 today. So I'm gonna wait about a week or two. I'm hoping that they restock on this fertilizer. They probably won't, because it was a fall discount. But I'm hoping that they do, so I can actually get a chance to use my coupon and save $20 on 7 bags of fertilizer. Although I did save $25, I'm just basically preparing for next spring. I'm gonna plant a lot of watermelons, and at this point I have 21 varieties of watermelons, and in total I have 140 plus different varieties of food that I'm going to be growing, or that I am growing and going to be growing. So yeah guys, I'm going to need a lot of fertilizer, and it's good to have extra on hand and catch it while it's on discount, especially if it's a good kind. I actually went on Home Depot's website also, and this fertilizer itself was going for $9.68. So I can guarantee you that these type of discounts are only in-store discounts. You know, I'm not saying that they don't have online discounts, but I can guarantee that you will not get discounts like this online. You definitely have to go in store, because they had, number one, they had it marked down. They had the yellow tag marked down, and then number two, I was going to apply my $5 off $50. So yeah guys, that's my update for today. And like I said, this is actually a good fertilizer. I was using the 444, but they didn't have it, so I started purchasing the 253, which happened to be on discount, guys. So that's my update for today, and how I saved $25 on 7 bags of fertilizer. All right guys, I hope you all can save this fall also, guys. Thank you.